Expect mo ba mamaya na today sa weather forecast?
Parang di naman, tapos biglang buhos. Ayun. Pero okay. Kasi kahit ano mangyari naman. Ganun pa.
I'm so blessed to be marrying my best friend. You know me better than I know myself. You make me happy even on my worst days. You listen to my stories and make me feel loved each time.
I walked past the street of the Ella Hotel. I just felt the weight of loving you more than myself. I watched like a film.
Love, during the 7 years we've been together, you have taught me a lot of things. When I'm at the point I'm doubting myself, you were always there for me. You've always believed in me more than I believe in myself.
Inside my veins. 'Cause I've been waiting. What feels
I, Ira Carmela Galvez, take you, Alfredo Emmanuel Alcantara, to be my husband. I want to spend the rest of my life with you. I waited and prayed to God for someone like you. I always thought I knew what love was before I met you, but it turned out that real love was more than the butterflies you feel in your stomach. It's about making a conscious effort of choosing the same person over and over.
I promise to love you with all my heart, to be patient with you as long as I can. I will always be by your side as you will be with me. And I promise you that no matter how many hardships may come, we will overcome it together with the help of God.
Hello, Ma. Andito na po ako, kakasal na po ako. Thank you po sa pag-aalaga po sa amin. Sobrang thank you po. Alam ko po, dependent kami sa inyo. Kahit sa paglalaba, kayo pa rin po. Pero magagawa naman po namin ng paraan. Kaya po namin po yun. Ayun lang po. Thank you po, Mama, and I love you.
You taught me to have confidence in myself, though I probably have too much confidence in me now. You've also taught me how to take care of myself, especially made me closer to God. You are the best thing that happened to me. I'm so blessed to have you, and I always thank God that He gave me you.
and I won't let you go.
Our story was off at a rocky start, and we have done things to hurt each other that we've come to regret. But despite all that, with God's help, we were able to overcome. So here we are about to embark on another phase of our life. I can't imagine myself being with anyone else but you.
'Cause I've been waiting. What feels like my whole life. Something that feels like you in my arms.
one of the most selfless and loving people I know. And for that, I love you even more. I can't promise you a smooth sailing married life, but I vow to love you with all that I am. In the good days and even in the bad days, I'd still choose you. In 100 lifetimes, I'd keep choosing you.
Today, I vow to be your husband, to be with you, and for you, forever and always. I love you.
Akala mo, wine eh, no?
Alfred, maaari mo nang hagkan ang iyong asawa. Palakpakan po natin ang bagong kasal, mga kapatid.